guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best makeup setting sprays. Now you're probably wondering, do setting sprays actually work? Is it worth my money, or is it just a gimmick? Is it just overpriced, expensive water? Because that's exactly what I used to think. However, now I wouldn't even do my makeup or finish my makeup without spraying a setting spray on my face. So the answer is yes, it does work. I'm going to be showing you the best setting sprays from affordable drugstore all the way up to luxury high end. I've got you covered. So if you want to know what the best setting sprays are, then please keep watching. And the first setting spray I'm going to show you is this Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. I want to talk about this spray first because years ago when I did work at Urban Decay, I was a makeup specialist and we used to sell so many of these all-nighter sprays. It was one of the most popular products. So working there, obviously I had to get to know all the products. So I wanted to try this spray knowing how popular it was. I've never looked back since. I literally use this every day after I've done my makeup. I don't know what ingredient or magic ingredient they've actually put in this, but it works. It locks your makeup in and it makes your makeup last up to 16 hours. Wow. It's got a temperature control technology, it says here, which lowers the temperature of your skin, mattifies, it controls my oils. I wouldn't even leave the house without spraying a few spritz of this spray. It's just a super lightweight spray that actually keeps your makeup in place, locked in. And when applying this, make sure it's about 8 to 10 inches away from your face, because out of all the sprays, this is the most powerful spray. It sort of packs a punch. So give it a good shake. I'm just going to spray so you can see it. Can you see that then? So to apply this, just spray it in an X motion, followed by a T motion. So that's your whole face covered with this spray. And don't forget to shake it well as well before applying this spray. Oh, and also a tip as well, if you want bolder, more brighter eyeshadow, then spray a bit of this setting spray onto your makeup brush before applying your eyeshadow, and it will give you a lot more intense colour payoff and less dropout as well. So a nice tip for you there. And the next spray is this Maybelline Lasting Fix Makeup Setting Spray. This one's a really lightweight setting spray and it gives my skin a flawless matte finish, like a subtle mattifying effect. It stops my makeup from melting and it controls my oil and shine really well because this spray is oil free. This one, it has a really, give it a good shake before you use it. It has a really microfine liquid mist. Let me just spray so you can see it. Not sure if you can see that. And every time I use this, some excess comes out through here. So bear that in mind when you do use that, just to wipe it down. Otherwise that can actually clog up the spray spritzer. On the bottle it says it lasts for up to 16 hours. However, I have to say, this isn't as good as the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray, but it's a good alternative or dupe to use every day because it's a lot more affordable. And the next spray I'm going to show you is this E.L.F Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. And may I just point out that all E.L.F products are vegan and cruelty free. Yes! Shout out to that. So this one's a really lightweight spray. It says it lasts for up to 16 hours. For me personally, I don't get so much wear from it. I'd say maximum 6, 7, 8 hours. 8 hours really maximum tops before my skin starts looking a bit oily, but that's still really well considering my skin gets so oily, and this still controls my oils really well. And if you've been following my channel, you'd know that I love products with skin loving ingredients in there, and this one does not disappoint. It's got aloe vera extract, cucumber fruit extract, and also green tea leaf extract. Now all these ingredients help to hydrate and soothe your skin, so yes, thumbs up to that. Now, I do know that a few of you have had problems with this spray nozzle, saying that it clogs up. So E.L.F have taken that feedback into consideration. Now their new batches of this mist, they've improved the nozzle. So let's give it a go. So give it a good shake, and you probably can hear that. It's got a metal mixing ball in here and it's quite loud when you shake it. But it's a really microfine mist. So yeah, I'm not sure if you can see the actual mixing ball in here. There you go, there it is. And that's what shakes it all up and distributes all the product evenly in this bottle. And it says hold 8 to 10 inches away from your face, close eyes and mist the face 2 to 4 times in a Z formation. So I like to use this after I've applied my makeup, and even on hot summer days I'll spray this on my face throughout the day just to give it that cooling effect. I think this product, because of the aloe vera and the cucumber extract that's in this product, it just cools my skin instantly. It feels really refreshing. So yeah, on hot summer days I love using this, and you just can't go wrong with this spray. And the next spray is this Tarte Stay Makeup Setting Spray, and it retails for $25 US, and there's 120 ml in this bottle. Now with this spray, it's not available to buy here in the UK, so I think it's available on QVZ website, but their range is quite limited for the Tarte products. So I went on the Tarte website to buy this, and delivery is really quick. I think it took about a week and a half or 2 weeks to get to the UK from the US. Now, I've been using this for the last few months now, and oh my god, it does not transfer. I mean, it does not transfer. So I've been wearing makeup with my mask on, and there's no transfer on my mask as well. It is so good. I spray it more especially on my nose and like my lower region here, because that's where I get the most oily on my face, and that's obviously where I put the mask, and my makeup stays in place. It's not sticky, and it doesn't feel greasy, and it doesn't leave any residue on your skin, and it locks your makeup in place for hours and hours, so you are good to go, and you don't need to worry about your skin. Yet again, this one has got skin loving ingredients in there. It's got cucumber extract and also aloe vera extract, so quite similar to the E.L.F one actually. Both got aloe vera and cucumber, but with this one, oh my god, this scent smells so nice. So I'm just going to show you. It is a microfine mist. It has a really strong cucumber smell. It's literally like a cucumber in a bottle. It smells really nice. Really refreshing. So with the cucumber extract and the aloe vera extract, it's really good for anti-inflammatory as well. So if you have any redness or inflammation on your skin, then this spray will be really good. It will calm down your redness, or even acne on your skin. It will just calm it down, soothe it whilst hydrating your skin. Oh, and also another tip is, if you've got any dry patches or creased makeup on your skin, then just apply this spray on a beauty blender or a makeup sponge, and then really press it into your skin where you have the dry patches or any creasing, and that'll smooth out your skin. Right, and last but definitely not least, I've got the NYX Matte Finish Makeup Setting Spray. This spray keeps your makeup looking fresh. It gives you a gorgeous shine-free matte finish, and it's really lightweight and comfortable on the skin. Controls your oil, gets rid of any shine, so it's really good for oily skin. And this is a really good dupe for the all-nighter setting spray. It's so affordable, so you can use it every day. With this one, it doesn't really smell of anything. It has like a neutral scent. I'm going to have so much setting spray on my skin by the end of this video that my makeup's not going to be moving. I've got like 5 different types of setting sprays on my skin now. And another tip for you guys is, if you really want a super sturdy base, say you're going for a big night out or you're going to a wedding, then spray the makeup setting spray in between every makeup step that you do. So primer, spray it on. Foundation, spray it on. Setting powder, spray it on. So it's like a sandwich. So that'll guarantee your makeup will be fully locked into place all day and night. Your makeup's not going to be moving. And there you have it, guys. These are the best setting sprays in my humble opinion. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah! Bye!